Hi guys, so this is the unboxing and review of the new headlight grill that I've bought for my Himalayan from Zana International. So you can see it is already unboxed a bit, but it doesn't matter. So the main reason that I wanted to make this video is because I found that this product has a lot of demand in the market. So like you can find a lot of headlight grills right now for the Himalayan, but you can choose. There are a lot of varieties from different brands, and a lot of resellers are there in the market. Went through a lot, and then finally I came to Zana International because I liked this design. So you can see that I have bought the Type 2 from Zana. So this is for the GT and the Himalayan, so you can use it for the both 650s and the Himalayan. So this is the type that I've bought. So I liked this type. So you can find 2 to 3 different designs. So one is with the other two right here. So you get these extra grills here also. So that is the type 1, I guess. And without these extra grills, you will just have this simple mesh. So that is another type. So you can find those in the website from Zana International. And I wanted to make a review of the material that they used on the product quality. So I really felt that I've already unboxed it. So I'll show you how the product is. So this is the packing. So I really liked the packing because this came from Delhi, I guess. So I live in Tamil Nadu. So to reach me, it would have taken a lot of beating on its way. So you get this grill here. So this is the grill. Yeah, you can see that. This is the Type 2. And you get extra 2 clamps here to fit it into the bike. Yeah, so this is the extra clamps. And for the Himalayan, you get these extra bolts. So that is also packed in this parcel. So you can see that you get these extra bolts here to fit them into the bike for the Himalayan. And these products are not sponsored to me by Zana. I bought them recently for around 1,500 bucks. So this product has a demand in the market. So the first time I saw it, it was around 900 and something rupees. Then it was out of stock, so I couldn't find any. So the second time they restocked it, it was around 1,200 bucks. So that time I wanted to buy it, it again went out of stock. So the third time I really wanted it badly. So I went into the website and found out that the price again got hiked. It was around 1,500 bucks. So at least now I'll buy it. So I was very keen on buying this product. So I bought it anyway. So this cost me around 1,500. So and the 1,500 spent for this, I think it's really cool on me. So you can see that these are not any welding or something like that. It is a single product. You can see these cuts here. So this is a single piece designed in that way. There is no welding. So Anjana also promises that this has lifetime non-rusting. So I think it's a good product. So let's fit it into the bike and see how it feels. Yeah, to start it off, I'll be fitting these with these extra clamps given here. So the basic idea is to fit it in like this. Okay, so you can see these are the clamps given. So these clamps go in here. Yeah, so I'll be fitting these in with these bolts. So these bolts are given to me. So these will be fitted in. Guys, as you can see, the clamps have been fitted in. So you can see this is how it is fitted. So the fitting has been done. So let's see how it looks onto the bike. So first you have to, there's a bush here. So as you can see, there is a bush here. Similar to that, you will have a bush here. So first you have to remove it, and then there is a screw here in between, so that you have to remove. So Zenna has given these two small pieces here. So actually these go in here. So like this goes in, and then you put it in and fit it.